Hi guys, it's Lena here. So today we'll be looking into how to build a very simple program using Applet in Java. So firstly, we're going to come up with a new project, and here we'll click on Java application, click next, and let's give a name. Hello. Hello, yeah. And you don't create a main class. So you uncheck that and you say finish. So we have a file here called hello with its source packages. So we are going to create a new, as we are looking into Java applet. So let's create the Java applet and new JApplet. So we're going to call this hello now, and we're going to say finish. So once you have done that, we will basically have a certain import javax.swing.japplet, and then we have our public class called hello now, and it's saved as hello now.java, extending to japplet, and then we have public void in it. So we are going to print the word hello world. So we are going to come up with import java.awt.graphics. And then from here, I'm going to come up with public void paint graphics G and super.paint G. Oh, what was I thinking? Okay, open bracket and close bracket. So for it to work, I'm going to say g dot draw string is going to be hello world, we are here. So from here we'll need to get with the width, because if not the applet will not be, we will not be able to see what's there. So maybe 30-50. So let's run the file then. Oh, sorry, run file. So here we go, we have the hello world, and yeah, there you see it. So this is how you come up with a very simple applet program. So with this in mind, do subscribers as we go on, giving you and helping you out in so many ways when it comes to programming and many other things that we will be doing on how-to tutorials and videos that can really help you to succeed. See you then. Bye.